We need to help our animal friends today. I have with me some pictures of our animal friends who need our help. Can you help me help them? Let's do it! Let's see which of our animal friends need our help. Our first animal friend who needs our help is Mr. Lion. What does he need? Oh, I know! He's missing his beautiful mane, his beautiful hair. Now let's think, what do we have inside our house that we can use as Mr. Lion's mane? I know! We can use straws! I cut some straws into tiny pieces so that it can fit on the piece of paper. Now all you are going to do is put some glue around the lion's head. And then you're going to have your baby stick on these tiny straws around the lion's head. And there we have it, friends. We just helped Mr. Lion get his mane back. Now let's see who else needs our help. Oh, it's our little friend Fish. Now what does little Fish need? Oh, he needs his scales back. Now let's think, what do we have inside our home that we can use as little Fish's scales? We can use some pasta! I have with me some bow tie shaped pasta that you can use as little Fish's scales. All you need to do is to put some glue on little Fish and have your babies stick them on. We did it! We helped little Fish! I think we need to help another friend. Let's see. Oh, it's Miss Sheep. Now what does Miss Sheep need? Oh, Miss Sheep needs her wool. Her soft and fluffy wool. Now let's think. What do we have inside our home that we can use as Miss Sheep's wool? Cotton balls! This time you are going to put some glue on Miss Sheep and have your baby stick on the cotton balls. Yay! Miss Sheep got her fluff back. Mr. Lion, little Fish, and Miss Sheep would like to thank you for your help today. We did it! Thank you for helping me help our animal friends. I'll see you again soon.